screen to turn on and off at a certain time. Go ahead and hit the details of the screen you'd like to set. Scroll down to schedule on and off, and then begin by selecting your on time. I'd like this screen to turn on at 6 in the morning, 6 a.m. I'd like this screen to turn off at 7:30 p.m. You can select the hour, the minutes, AM, and PM. Go ahead and hit OK. And you can see here that we have set the screen to turn on at 6 a.m. and off at 7:30 p.m. It's very important that you set your time zone. We're in Los Angeles. And when you're done, go ahead and hit the save button.